Hey, fellow travel enthusiasts, ready to uncover the hidden gems of the Dominican Republic? Buckle up as I take you on a journey through 12 beautiful places you absolutely can't miss. First up, Punta Cana. This isn't just a destination, it's an experience. Picture this: endless white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and some of the most luxurious resorts you'll ever see. If you're looking for relaxation, check out the all-inclusive resorts. They offer everything from gourmet dining to water sports and even world-class entertainment. Trust me, you'll feel like royalty. Next, let's venture to Samaná. This peninsula is a paradise for nature lovers. Imagine hiking through lush rainforests to discover hidden waterfalls like El Limón. And between January and March, you can witness the incredible sight of humpback whales migrating through the bay. Now, on to Santo Domingo, the capital city. It's the oldest continuously inhabited European settlement in the Americas. Wander through the colonial zone, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and step back in time. The cobblestone streets, historic buildings, and vibrant culture will leave you in awe. No trip to the Dominican Republic is complete without visiting La Romana. Here you can explore Altos de Chavon, a replica of a 16th century Mediterranean village. The view of the Chavon River from this artistic haven is simply breathtaking. Let's head over to Bayahibe, a charming fishing village. It's the gateway to the stunning Saona Island. Think turquoise waters, palm-fringed beaches, and vibrant coral reefs. It's a slice of paradise that's perfect for a day trip. For adventure seekers, Jarabacoa is a must-visit. Known as the Dominican Alps, it's a haven for outdoor activities. Whether it's rafting down the Yaqui del Norte River or paragliding over the mountains, you'll get your adrenaline fix here. Let's not forget Puerto Plata. Ride the cable car up Mount Isabel de Torres for panoramic views of the coast. The mountain's botanical gardens and Christ the Redeemer statue are iconic. For a serene escape, head to Las Terrenas. This town on the Samaná Peninsula offers a laid-back vibe with pristine beaches and a lively expatriate community. It's perfect for those looking to unwind. Now let's dive into the underwater beauty of Catalina Island. It's a top spot for snorkeling and diving. The coral reefs here are teeming with marine life and vibrant colours. For history buffs, the town of Monte Cristi is a hidden treasure. Explore the El Morro Fortress and the stunning salt flats, which turn pink during certain times of the year. Let's journey to Barahona, an off-the-beaten-path destination. The natural beauty here is unparalleled, from the stunning beaches to the lush Sierra de Bajoruco mountains. It's a place where you can truly connect with nature. Finally, let's wrap up our journey in Boca Chica. Just a short drive from Santo Domingo. It's known for its calm, shallow waters. It's an ideal spot for families and those looking to relax by the sea. The Dominican Republic is a treasure trove of unforgettable experiences. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, this Caribbean gem has something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready to explore. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels. Happy. Pause 2.5s. Now let's dive deeper into the heart of the Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo. This city isn't just the capital. It's a living, breathing museum of history and culture. Imagine walking through the colonial zone, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where every corner tells a story of the past. The cobblestone streets and historic buildings transport you back to the 16th century. Here you can visit the first cathedral of the New World, Cathedral Primada de America, a stunning example of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. But Santo Domingo isn't just about history, it's a city that pulses with life. The vibrant culture is palpable as you explore the bustling markets and street fairs. Don't miss the chance to experience the local music and dance, especially the infectious rhythms of merengue and bachata. The Malecón, a scenic seaside promenade, is the perfect place to soak in the local atmosphere. Stroll along the coast, enjoy the ocean breeze, and perhaps catch a live performance or two. The architecture in Santo Domingo is a blend of old and new. Modern skyscrapers stand alongside colonial-era buildings, creating a unique skyline. Take a moment to visit the Alcázar de Colón, the former residence of Diego Columbus, and marvel at its majestic facade. And for a taste of local flavor, head to the Plaza de España, where you can enjoy traditional Dominican cuisine while overlooking the historic square. Santo Domingo is a city of contrasts, where history and modernity coexist harmoniously. It's a place that promises endless discoveries and unforgettable memories. So, whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply a curious traveler, Santo Domingo has something special waiting for you. Thanks for joining me on this deeper dive into Santo Domingo. If you enjoyed this segment, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.